Today we're going to talk about some cool ways for you to make up to $2,000 a month with your home. Stay tuned for 3 great tips. Hey, what's up everyone? Matt Rooney here, and on this channel we talk everything real estate. From buying, selling, investing, to becoming an agent, becoming a broker, even building your own team. You name it, we talk it. Consider subscribing, and at any point during this video, check out the link or description below for more information. Ever wonder how your house can make money for you? Well, here's 3 great ways to earn extra income every month. 1. Airbnb. Airbnb is a great way to earn extra money with your home and can be tailored to suit your life and your housing style. You may think that Airbnb is only useful for owners that don't occupy the residence, but that's not the case. There are lots of different styles of Airbnb rentals. If you have a basement with an in-law setup or just an extra bedroom, you can easily rent it out for some extra money. You don't need the extra kitchen to make this happen, and you don't even need to provide access to your own kitchen. You can set up your rental however you want it and then price the rental accordingly. I have a client who rented out the 2nd bedroom of her condo. The bedroom had its own ensuite, but that was all she provided with the rental. Access to the home and a bedroom with a bathroom. She charged $70 a night and reported that her ad was wildly popular. She had 1 guest stay for an entire month. That's $2,100 extra bucks in her pocket, which more than covered the mortgage payment she had for that month. Head over to airbnb.ca, figure how you want to style your ad, compare your listing to similar ads from around your city, and then price your ad accordingly. It's that simple. $100 a night for 10 days a month, and you've made an extra $1,000. 2. Renewable energy. While you're driving around some residential communities, keep an eye out on the roofs of the homes. You're bound to eventually see a home with solar panels. Solar panels can be a great way to save money and even make money on your home. Now, these are a bit of an initial investment. At roughly $2.50 to $3 per watt, solar panels can cost you about $12,000 to $23,000 to install. However, with government programs and instant rebates, these prices may come down, and the cost of the equipment continues to lessen with time. Before we get into how to use these to save money every month, it's worth noting that solar panels add 3 to 4% value to your home. So if your home is worth $500,000, adding these panels would up that value $15,000 to $20,000, essentially paying for themselves. The panels are used to replace power you consume from the grid, saving you money on your monthly hydro bill. When you generate enough power that you have a monthly excess, the hydro company will buy the power back from you, thus earning you extra cash on top of what you're already saving. Now, it's difficult to calculate how much you'll earn every month, as electric rates are constantly changing and will go up over time. Also, rates change throughout the day for many customers thanks to time of day pricing. Most of the power produced by solar will be during mid-peak to peak times, so the value will range between 13.5 and 18 cents a watt, but can even vary based on the city you live in. If you're interested in adding solar panels, do a little research and have a technician come out to your house with a quote, cost, and savings breakdown. This could be a great way for you to get some extra cash every month and raise the value of your home. 3. Homestay Students. If you feel like making some money while being a good Samaritan and you live near one of Ontario's many post-secondary institutions, considering opening your home to an international student. A lot of colleges and universities have programs set up that will pay hosts a stipend when they take in a student from abroad. You have to provide a hospitable home, access to 3 square meals a day, plus appropriate lodging, but the average allowance is $600 to $700 a month and can be even more when students pay for special features like a private bathroom. At any rate, it's more than enough to cover an additional mouth to feed. These programs vary and can be for an entire school semester or just for a month. If this is something you're interested in, you'll need to fill out an application and go through the interview process, but it could lead to a financially and personally rewarding experience. Thanks so much for tuning in. Definitely subscribe for more videos covering all things real estate, and if you know anyone that this video would be valuable to, please share it with them. Hit me up below or shoot me an email with any questions or comments, and until next time, this is Matt Rooney, talking everything real estate.